first.
Why? You climbed
Look!
up and sat there,
Becky,
didn't you?
Oh, you mean once we get to there?
Yes,
Oh,
ding
okay.
dong.
Oh, to go back home?
To get back down.
To get
That's
back
pretty
to the
sketchy
other
that way.
side.
This way won't be too bad to climb up.
Oh, I want to go this way so bad.
Becky, that's a really bad idea.
I know, I'm just saying.
That drop is like 30 feet.
Oh, that fell.
Alright, then I'm going to probably need some assistance.
For me or
I
Becky?
can assist you.
No, you can't see where I'm going.
I know, but I can hold you.
Alright.
I won't rely on you.
Jared, do you see the point in front of you? That's where your left hand will probably go, right?
Alright, I'm just going to go for it. Where's my right hand going to go?
You should come around this rock,
Becky,
right?
there's no.
No?
Nothing.
If I fall, I'm
Well,
falling
there's
there.
better hand grips. You gotta hold it.
The only thing I see protruding that isn't, like,
I know.
everything is inverted except that.
I think this way's the best way.
I'm going to have to change
Becky, what?
You can't see what I see, though.
You don't see what I see, B. Well, you wear glasses.
Ah! It's kind of fun just laying right here.
Alright. It's not that far of a drop if you were to jump
Yeah.
down.
Alright, I'm good.
Yeah.
Alright, Becky, you should come look and see where I am.
Yeah, Becky, you're not going that way.
Come on, dads.
Are you looking? I have my right foot. Right foot in this crevasse.
Yeah, okay, I gotcha.
And then.
Bye, Cracky.
Aye!
Ay, ay, ay! Or like, did I come up this way or was it more that way?
It came up this way.
Yes.
There's no way he would came up. This is a flat rock right here. Alright, so you.
It's a good thing cameras don't have smell. Because I just cracked something nasty.
God,
Yeah.
guys.
Right foot right there, like 3 more inches down, and you'd be wedged in there. Yeah, left hand there.
Don't touch me, it probably makes it worse, actually. Oh, I'm fine. I'm just rethinking.
Just tell me before you're gonna drop.
Okay.
Ooh. Smart move.
Not a good time to make me laugh. Should have switched my hands. Thank you. Come on. Something to hang on to?
And it's
Something?
pouring.
I got it.
Just
You could just drop.
left foot down.
My foot down?
Yeah.
I'm just saying I have absolutely no hand
Go
grip
ahead.
right
I
now.
got you. I got you. Alright, we gotta make it up this
Smile.
before.